Hi friends, today we are going to solve height of a binary tree problem from the tree of data structures in the HackerRank. So given a binary tree, we have to find its height. So to solve this problem, I would suggest you to watch one of the GeeksforGeeks video statement. Probably I will give that in description where they will explain you each and every step. So here the focus is to solve this problem using Python. And the algorithm is something like this. Its algorithm is given in C language. So basic problem statement is that here you will we have to find first you have to find whether the tree is empty or not. If it's empty, you have to return 0. Else the max depth of the tree is recursively you have to find it out. Uh, and similarly, and at last we have to get the max of the depth of the left tree or the max of the depth of the right tree. So that's the idea. Return the max of left and right node of the tree. So first statement is to find if the root node is null. So if root is none, we would be returning 0. Else L height equal to, we will be using recursive function. So root dot left root dot right, and once you have done that, we would be finding out whether the L height is larger or the R height. So L, because here the idea is to find the largest height of the left or the right subnodes. So we'll be checking it to get the height of the tree. So if the L height is larger than the R height, we'll be returning and let's run this. So if you see that our answer is wrong, to find out why our answer is wrong from the even in given algorithm, we have performed all these steps properly in the given algorithm and still it is wrong. To understand, we have to look at the problem statement in HackerRank properly first. Not this one, it's this one. So if you could see all our outputs. Okay. Let's take it as it is. Let's check in this way only. So if you could look at the problem statement here, all our outputs are 1 more than the expected output. So in this case, our output is 4, but the expected output is 3. Similarly, in this case, our output is 1, but the expected output is 0. And here our output is 4, but the expected output is 3. So you could understand that in all these statements, our output is 1 more than the expected ones. So there is something in our logic. So to understand it, we have to understand how the problem statement has been written in this problem. So if you look at this tree, so if we count its height, the root node value is 0, then it's 1, 2, and 3. but in general algorithms generally we count root node as 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's basically how we are counting it. So if we want to count our root node as 0, then then we need to make some changes. But in normal algorithm we generally count the root node as 1. So here, if the root node is none, then we should be returning -1. So if we change that to -1 and try running our algorithm, as you could see, it passed all the test cases successfully. So only thing to understand is that what is the expected output from the problem. So I would always say you to read the problem statement in a better way to understand the expected outputs, because even after following the algorithm of trees, you could face a problem. Is basically here the problem was that how you count it. So in normal generic sense, generally count root node as 1. Here they are counting at it as 0. So that's the only difference. But apart from that, if you look at the algorithm, it still stays true. The code and the algorithm is still the same. So yeah, that's all for this problem statement. And thanks for watching. And if you feel that you could update this problem in some way, that will essentially help us to solve this problem with much more ease or better understanding, please comment below. I've seen few people commenting, which is great actually to see that people are taking interest. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.